Is there a puppy dog in there? There is. Hey, buddy. Hi. Oh, man. Okay, this is the last trip of the old system. And the old system actually got put together in about 2 hours with a skill saw and some flimsy old plywood and a couple of 2x4s, and that's what this platform I'm sitting on is made out of. And it's just not anything near what I actually want to build or the design that I have in my head. That's what I'm excited for. The changes that I want to make, and I've had lots of time to think about it and test it out kind of thing. So now I want to do my first build. It's pretty nerve-wracking, especially when I haven't done anything like this before. That's why I want to bring people along with the build and the journey kind of thing, to maybe teach them and have some fun, I guess, along the way. That's the plan anyhow. This is when I call him the Hound Dog on patrol. I don't know what he's scouting at. I don't know if he knows either. We're a little bit snowed in here, but we'll get out. Boys are at her already. Puppy dog's still asleep. Here goes nothing. Oh yeah. It was just moved, so I guess it's still nice and soft. Is there a puppy dog in there? There is. Hey, buddy. Hi. Oh, man. Yeah. We got a little bit of snow. Let's get this thing cleaned up and get some coffee into us. Today's day 4 out on the road. We've had 3 nights in really cold weather. We're probably not gonna be home for another day or 2. We're weathering the storm right now on the peninsula. We're thinking about heading south and maybe visit some friends in the city, and then probably go home the day after that. And I don't think we're gonna get any hiking in today. It's pretty crummy weather. We're nice and toasty warm in here, and we'll keep driving and we'll bring you along. Gotta have some fun sometimes. Here we are in the big city, visiting some friends, and they had a huge snowstorm here yesterday. Everybody's digging themselves out. This is what I like about camping in a truck, is you can go out in the wilderness and then you can come into the city and just have your house on your back at all times. So fun to explore both sides of society, I guess. Hey everybody, we're just about home. I thought I'd stop and give you guys just a little tour of the truck in the current phase that it's in. I'll show you around. Here we are in the cockpit. So that's where I keep gear that I can grab quick. I'm gonna keep all my electronics in one bag so I can grab them and go in the back when I do go, or go into the heat. Keep everything from freezing up. This back here is Kiko's little hideout. He's got a hammock back here that keeps him safe and sound and gives him lots of room. So that's that. A little bit of a mess at the moment. Kiko, you want to get out here and show him the back? She's pretty bare bones back here. Some of this gear I can just kind of quickly throw on the ground, or the tailgate if I need to get in there, and at night a lot of it can sit down on the ground. It's fine, it can get wet and whatnot. This is the little gen set that I've just tested out for the first time this little trip. To be honest, it really hasn't been needed so far. It's really only because of the cold weather. But here's my little bed, which usually I have a couple more blankets than this. I just have them in Kiko's bed at the moment. This is his side, with a bin and a bag and some cooking stuff that I can access when I'm in the back of the truck camping. And then underneath here is where I keep a couple totes that I can just grab easy and get at need quickly. I keep in the first one. then underneath there, I use a hockey stick to reach and grab my other bins, like slings and cables, that kind of thing. Don't use those very often, so they stay back there. But she's really just kind of thrown together with a simple little platform and those totes. But I've got lots of ideas up my head that I want to get out here in real life. So that's what I'm going to work on is phase 2. I'm going to bring you guys along with that little build. So we'll see how it goes.